Hey Emilio, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I wanted to hop on here and introduce myself before our meeting, as well as record a short video of what an online presence is and how to improve it. And so I couldn't find a website for you, but I might have missed it. But I'm just going to keep on going as if you have a website here. And so whenever you do have a website, you want content on it that supports having keywords. And so what a keyword is anything that your future clients are searching in Google for. And so one example would be the Fort Worth Kitchen Remodeling. And whenever your future clients are searching for this, there are some ads that are popping up here. But underneath that is the Google Map Packs section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs. And the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. So you want to outrank them, and the way that you outrank these businesses would be to have a Google business profile, and you'd want to have more citations than these other businesses, as well as a good amount of 5-star reviews and geotagged photos, along with your website ranking down in the organic listing. And so this section down here is the organic listing, and this is where your website would be ranking. And you want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page here. So let's take a look at the #1 ranking website for that keyword and see what I'd recommend for your website. And so one thing that I recommend for the website would be to have click to call buttons throughout your site, as well as form submits, because that really helps with conversion rates. And then you want at least 1,500 words on your homepage specifically, because Google has what's called crawlers, and they are crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all of the content on your website, as well as what your photos are saved as, looking for those keywords. And once again, that Fort Worth Kitchen Remodeling was an example of that keyword. And something that we can do is we can take a look at the back end of websites. So I have your competitor plugged in here, and we can look at some ratings here pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And so what makes up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 62 backlinks coming from 13 referring domains. And what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional when you're backlinking. And then another thing that we can take a look at is keywords that they are ranking for that's on their website. So if we go into their website here, a few keywords that apply to you are kitchen remodeling Fort Worth. 200 people are searching for this every single month. Fort Worth Kitchen Remodeling, 200. Kitchen remodelers, Fort Worth, 200. 40, 50, and so this list keeps going here. And then we would want to do this for all of the keywords and services that apply to you and all of the service areas that apply to you, as well as making sure that you are outranking all of your competitors. So we would want to have these numbers higher than your competitors. And one way to make sure that you have high quality ratings here is called the copycat method. You can go into the backlinks that your competitor has and then link those high quality ones to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And I look forward to our meeting for today, and I hope that this was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.